CONITEye is the eye to keep workers safe at construction sites. That's the number of workers killed in accidents at construction sites in the U.S. In 2020, 1015, and 1,092 in 2022. In the U.S. alone, 3 workers come to work at construction sites every day and are unable to return home. The main causes of these workers' deaths are inclusion slips and trips, stubbies, and tight in between. All of these accidents can be prevented. Extreme accidents can be avoided by installing safety railings, wearing safety helmets, and keeping track of incoming equipment. CONITEye is a vision-based AI system to prevent accidents at construction sites. CONITEye looks for factors that may cause accidents. It recognizes various risk factors such as openings, safety rails, safety helmets, access to dangerous areas by workers, and access to equipment as objects, and determines risks by recognizing the status of the objects. There are 3 special things about CONITEye. First, it is camera independent. It works on any camera. CONITEye works if only there were cameras that provided real-time video streams from webcams, PTZ cameras, drones, and even CCTVs in use. Second, it is easy. The working environment and risk factors of the construction site change as the construction progresses every day. The settings that CONITEye sets once according to the changes in the construction site will work even if the camera is moved or the environment changes. If the PTZ camera is installed and used in the tower crane, a large space can be monitored with one camera, and even if the workspace changes from the bottom to the top as the construction progresses, the cost of introducing Vision AI on the site can be significantly reduced by allowing it to be used repeatedly without additional settings. Third, it is convenient to expand the field of Vision AI application. Even at this moment, CONITEye is evolving through learning using real-time data from the field. We are working on the lab to increase accuracy so that customers can recognize new objects that are requested. Objects verified in the lab will be immediately available to customers.